Two-burner stoves are useful for cooking all kinds of food on camping trips. Here is how to assemble and light one. You will need a stove, a lighter, and a propane canister. Please note there are many types of stoves that look similar to this one. This video is for stoves that do not have a permanently attached gas canister. Instead, a removable propane canister is used. Propane canisters can be purchased from most stores with camping sections. To set up the stove, first unlatch the front, if there is a latch. Open the lid. Swing out the wings on either side. Carefully pick up the grill and take out the propane regulator and set aside. Lift the lid and connect the wings to the bottom of the stove. Push the small silver insert into the small hole on either side of the stove. Next, attach the propane regulator to the port on the side of the stove. Gently push the end into the port and screw clockwise until finger tight. Be careful not to over tighten this. Next, grab the propane canister, insert the top into the regulator, and screw clockwise until it's hand tight. To light the stove, turn on the valve on the front of the stove until you hear gas coming from the burner. Carefully put the lid end of a lighter close to the burner until the burner lights. Use the valve to increase or decrease the heat of the burner. Repeat this process on the other side if required. When done cooking, turn both valves off until the flame disappears. Allow the stove to completely cool before dismantling the stove. When you are done and the stove is cool, remove the propane canister by screwing it counterclockwise, and then remove the propane regulator. Before packing up, ensure that the stove is completely cool. Unclip the wings, lay the lid back, and fold the wings into the stove. Pick up the grill and replace the regulator inside the cook area. Close and latch the lid. You're good to go. If you have questions, please consult the Outdoor Center staff at SFA Campus Recreation.